Background, let's get my extras over here. Extras to your places. Makeup and wardrobe right away. Makeup! Craft services. We wait for lunch after we get this shot.
From Universal Studios Hollywood, welcome to Universal's Animal Actors.
Hi everybody, my name is John McCormick. I'm an animal trainer here at Universal Studios Hollywood. This is Blue. She's a Siberian Husky mixed rescue, and you can see her in Beverly Hills Chihuahua and Hotel for Dogs. Working with animals is more than just a career. It's a lifestyle, one that started for me after graduating from America's Teaching Zoo at Moorpark College. Working for Birds and Animals Unlimited has given me the opportunity to travel the country and also work with and train some amazing and incredible animals. It's also given us a stage where we can educate, entertain, and share our passion and love for animals with all of you. I'm lucky enough to work with a great group of animal trainers, all who care for, love, and respect all of our animal actors. On behalf of all the animal trainers here at Universal Studios, hope you have a great time and enjoy the show.
And now, please welcome one of Hollywood's top animal trainers, Mr. John McCormick.
Wow! Thank you. Thank you very much. Good afternoon and welcome to Universal Animal Actor Show. My name is John and this is my friend Muggsy. We work for a company that has been training animals for film and television for over 40 years. And what many of you don't know, some of your favorite animal stars are rescues. And like Muggsy, they got their start on this stage in front of an audience. So a little later in the show, we'll show you a couple things that Muggsy and his friends have learned to get their big break. But until then, that's for you and you're done. Get out of here. We'll see you later. Great, let's bring out a friend of mine from the movie Ace Ventura: Pet Detective. His name is Flappy. Hi Flap, how are you, bud? Now I need help from an adult volunteer, somebody who is not afraid of birds who would like to help us out. Brave adults, somebody in the middle section would be fantastic. How about, would you like to come up, sir, in the blue shirt and hat? Stand up, please. Stay right where you are. You can just stay standing. Take out a dollar bill. The reason why I asked the gentleman to take out a dollar is because Flappy does not know him, might feel uncomfortable flying to someone he's never met. As you'll see in Evan Almighty, we train our birds to recognize and fly to a common object. Today we'll be using a dollar bill. Fantastic. Fold it in half one more time, please. Place it between two fingers, arm out to your side. Very nice. Don't move. Flappy will see that and know exactly where to go. Close for a couple photos. Nicely done. Thank you, sir. Enjoy the show. Somebody over here with a $50 bill want to work with Flappy. Okay, sir. He's an honest bird. We don't keep the one. Stand back up, please. Put both arms out. Great, now you flap really hard and fly down here and get it. It's the one arm out, palm facing flat up to the sky. Don't move, Flappy. He's been a great sport. He'll return it and place it where he found it. Thank you, Sarah. You did a great job, Flappy. Outstanding, my friend. A couple snacks for the road, and we'll see you later, buddy. Off you go. Hey, check it out. It's our stagehand. Well, we have the pleasure of working with cute little birds like Flappy. Sometimes we get to challenge ourselves with something larger, like a bird of prey. As you'll see in Universal's picture, Lady Hawk, Matthew Broderick catches a hawk with precision and grace in a spectacular feat of flight. We'd like to recreate a little bit of that movie magic. Focus your attention to the small closed box in the top corner of our arena. We're going to fly down a star you'll recognize from 310 to Yuma. Ladies and gentlemen, watch your heads. This is Arrow. A beautiful flight from Arrow. Nice catch, Ariel. Hold on, don't rush off. Come here. I got a great idea. Hey, buddy, get that dollar back out. We're going to try Arrow this time. It's right there. No, I'm kidding. You stay right there. We'll get him in the last show, Ariel. Thank you. Now, Arrow is a captive-bred African auger hawk, part of the raptor family. A group of birds consisting of hawks, kites, falcons, eagles, vultures, and owls. We'd like to introduce you to some cousins of Arrow in a rare close-up appearance. Say hello to Iris and Olympus. Iris and Olympus are your raging eagle owls, and you would recognize them from the Harry Potter films. These birds are not endangered, but many animals are. We'd like to take a moment to encourage you to do everything you can to help all animals so that beautiful, majestic creatures like these never become endangered. How about a nice round of applause for Iris and Olympus? Nice work, you too, thank you. I'd like to introduce you to a friend of ours here at Universal. Everybody meet Sweet Pea. That's pretty cool. We got something better. We're going to show you our own version of some high-flying action with our stunt bird, Baby, our blue and gold macaw. Tina will fly Baby into a strong current of wind. Once in place, we can swap out the green screen. If you want to see what it looks like in the movies, check it out on the big screen on stage. Well done, you too. Thank you. One of the most common questions we're asked in the show is how do we get our animal stars to land a part in a TV show or a movie? It all starts with some basic training. What better way to show you that with a friend of mine from the movie A Dog's Purpose? Welcome out, Blue. Hi, Blue. How are you, sweetheart? Now, in addition to learning a number of basic behaviors, it's important for all of our animal stars to recognize hand cues, verbal cues, but they also need to know a mark. A mark simply tells them exactly where they need to be in any given scene. And we're going to demonstrate this, but I need an assistant to brave little girl, somebody who is not afraid of dogs like Dub South. Brave Young, right here in the pink shirt, long sleeve shirt, come on up. You'll be perfect for this. Find out who you are. Come on up. Hi, what is your name?
Charity.
Charity, and where are you from?
I'm from Studio City.
Studio City. Well, welcome to Hollywood. You're going to be our actress. All right, I'm going to get a chair for you. Hang tight right here. I'll set this chair up for you. You can have a seat right here. Blue took off. Blue, where are you going, sweetheart? Come here. She's like, I'm doing a meet and greet, man. Leave me alone. Blue! Blue! Come here. Get up here. All right. Now that you got your loving in, back to work. Okay, like I mentioned, the marks are important because they tell our animals where we'd like them to be in the scene. So, of course, if we want Blue to be next to our actress, get on your mark. You can send them into their mark. That's not quite on your mark. Back up. There you go. Get right there. Now, if we're in front of the animals, we can give them hand and verbal cues. This way it's a little bit easier for them to follow our gestures. If there's dialogue going on in a scene and we can't talk to the animals, then they would want to focus on our hand cues. Simple things they need to know. The hooting and hollering is part of her personality. She loves to talk, but we do train our dogs to speak. They should just do it once when asked, so we'll see if she can focus. Are you ready? That means yes. Okay, good. Good. Sit. Very nice. Lie down. Don't argue. Lie down. Down. Stay. On your feet. Good. Stay. Speak. Speak. Good. Back up. Back. Back. Stay. Sit. Stay. And sit up. You can do better. Sit up. Sit up. There it is. Good girl. Catch. Get it. There it is. Right there on your foot. Come back over here, Blue. Now, of course, that's me working Blue from the front. If we can't be, that's a leaf. You don't need it. That's there, right there. If we have to be behind them or off camera, somewhere that they can't see us and they're just responding to our voice, we do something called the workaway. How we set that up, take their favorite treat, a toy, snack, whatever they'd like, place it simply in the direction we want them to look, and then we move to wherever we have to be and simply give them the cue to watch it. Blue, watch it. All rights are released. Let's know they've done it correctly. They can head in and get the snack. Now that she knows where it is, we're going to set her back up. Very nice, good girl. Stay right there. And we're going to combine both segments that we just did. We'll put another snack down on the ground for her. I'll step off the stage. Get back on your mark. Stay right there. Stay. And then I'll give her some verbal cues of things I'd like her to do as I'm standing behind her and she's looking away from me towards our actress. Which is why we call this the workaway. Let's see how well this goes. Good girl, Blue. Watch it. Back up. Back up. Stay. Mark. Stay. Sit. Lie down. On your feet. Stay. Speak. All right, you can have it. And folks, that's Blue. I know everybody. Nice to meet you. You're all finished. Get out of here. We'll see you later. Jeremy, you did very well come with me. We have a little something for you for helping us out. We do appreciate your assistance. We're going to give you a Universal Express Pass and make you a trainer for the day. Thank you so much for your help. Nice round of applause for Charity. She did outstanding. Now, sometimes on set, the animals have to take directions directly from an actor, so I need help from a young man this time, a brave boy, someone not afraid of animals. Want to help us out? Let's see. How about right here in the blue shirt and the blue hat? Come on up, man. It'll be perfect for this. All the way down here, we're going to find out who you are. Lucas Sandoval. All right, I already know your name because you're just yelling it from the audience. Come on up. Just to make sure, what is your name?
Lucas.
Lucas. And where are you from, Lucas?
Washington.
Washington. Welcome to Hollywood. You will be our actor. Have a seat in this chair, please. All right, Lucas, it's time to meet your co-star from the TV show Raven's Home. Welcome back, Muggsy. Muggsy, nice to see you again. Now, Lucas, this is simple. Backstage, we have a huge pile of clothes, anything you would like to wear. Hat, shirt, shoes, pants, socks, you name it, we have it. All you need to do, think of 2 items, whisper those 2 pieces of clothing into Muggsy's ear. He will head on backstage and bring out each one for us. Okay? So think of 2. Tell him when you're ready. Okay, did you tell him 2? You did? All right, have a seat for me. Head on back there, Muggsy. Awesome. Now, folks, this is not a trick. It's a trained behavior. He is backstage looking through this pile of clothes, and he's going to bring out exactly what Lucas asked for. He's been doing great all day. He's not missed a single item. Thank you, Muggsy. We have a hat. Did you ask for a hat?
Yes.
You did. Great. We got the first one right. Outstanding. Get on back there, my friend. Get that second piece of clothing. He is tuned in, never misses a second one. This will be a perfect show, and you guys will be amazed when he brings out his... Hey, Muggsy, where'd you find this? Sorry about that. That was Muggsy's girlfriend. You did great, though, Lucas. Stand up. Stand up, Lucas. Give your fans a big wave. Nice wave to everybody out there. Not bad, man. Take a bow. Lucas, sit. Very well trained. There's your treat. I'm kidding. You don't want that. I'll take it. Lucas, you're doing a great job. You're going to help us out with one more segment. Come with me, please. Now, sometimes on set, the director needs her animals to do things they've never done before. Perhaps go up, over, around, or through something that they have never seen. Our job as an animal trainer is actually train them how to do this. We'd like to show you how we run an audition with some of our animal stars. Welcome out Cooper and Reed. Now with every audition, we like to encourage our animals, and you're going to help with that. So everybody over here, you guys will be cheering on Little Dog. That's Cooper. You'll recognize Cooper from the recent remake of Benji. And everybody on this side of the bleachers, you guys are going to be cheering on the handsome Reed. You'll recognize Reed. He was a puppy in the film Super Buddies. He played Butterball. So anytime I say lights, camera, action, you need to make as much noise as possible to cheer him on. Let's try it with Cooper. Lights, camera, action! That wasn't bad. You guys are going to have to do better than that. Let's hear it for Reed. Excellent cheering. Now let me explain our audition. One by one, our dogs are going to be jumping over Lucas, racing through the poles. They're going to take the turn back through the tunnel, jump over Lucas again, and finish with ringing the bell. Now, like I said, the louder you cheer, the faster your dog will go. And it looks like Cooper is up first. That's you guys. Let's make some noise. Here we go. Lights, camera, action! Pretty good. Not too bad. Nice work, you two. Get head on back to your trailer. Nice cheering. I don't know, do you guys think Reed can do better? Let's find out. Lights, camera, action! Wait a minute. Hey, Jesse, okay. You didn't do anything right. You just cheated a little bit. That was Oh, Lucas, stand up, man. I am so sorry about that. That's disgusting. You know what? Don't touch it. Let it dry. You'll be fine. However, we are not sending you away empty-handed. For being such a great sport, we're also giving you a Universal Express pass and making you a trainer for the day. Thank you so much for your help. Nice round of applause for Lucas. Oh, no. What happened? Maybe it's the glasses you're wearing. He's confused. It's all the wind. Hold on. There you go, Reed. What happened? The wind? The wind blew him over? It is windy. Yeah, he sure is. He doesn't look dead. It's the hungriest dead dog I've ever seen. Man, we need help. We need a vacuum is what we need. Hey, wait! I got a plan. Let's run a CAT scan. Yeah. See? CAT scan. That's funny. Oh, hey, look, it's better. Reed, come here. Come on, buddy. We're going to go with the scene. Just sort of Reed back on set, please. Okay, never mind. Whoa, hey, the guinea pigs are out. What's up, little fella? It's like a bunch of burritos just ran across the stage. Folks, hey, did you guys? Whoa, wait. That's fast food right there, huh? A running chicken. Give me a second. Good job, Reed, please. Okay, folks, sorry about the mix-up. We have all the animals back in place. We're going to reset the scene right now. We're just waiting up. Where's Reed? Oh, nice. That's much better. That's how it's hey, that's a stuffed animal.
gentlemen, the cast of Universal's Animal Actors.
All right, nice round of applause for all of our animal stars and trainers. My name is John. Thanks for coming out. Hope you enjoy the rest of the day here at Universal Studios Hollywood, the entertainment capital of LA. Goodbye.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're pleased you enjoy Universal's Animal Actors.